Cruz. Mark Cruz, don't be such rude over at who's that? I remember. Um, do not post about political. You know, I've been saw your post. You posting about Lenny Robredo and Nicolas Torre. Give me a break, Mark Cruz. Lenny Robredo is not running for president of the Philippines. Have you never heard that I was told by Teacher Kel and Kuya Dan Mardayaw? Hindi po tatakbo si Lenny. I say again, Mark Cruz. Lenny is gonna run for second term for mayor of Naga City in Camarines Sur in Bicol. That's a hometown of Atipura. If I were you, Mark Cruz, can you just shut up and stop posting political affiliation? And you said it, matatalo ang mga Duterte. What if I say again, Mark Cruz? If the Duterte supporters had mobbed you in your house, even Kuya Park official will arson your house. It is not my fault, Mark Cruz. This is your responsibility for posting lots of nonsense. This is your responsibility. You're posting fake news. You know that, Mark Cruz? Mark Cruz, if I say again, stop posting fake news about Lenny Robredo that she is running for president of the Philippines. According by her statement, she is not running for president of the Philippines by 2028 election. She is running for mayor of Naga City for second term. How many terms of Isko Moreno that he run for mayor of Manila first term? By 2028, he will run for second term for mayor of Manila. Oh. Yeah, how many terms of mayor of Nagas mayor of Caloocan? I remember Oka Malapitan. Oh. Second term 2013 and 2016 and also 2019. So third term for mayor of Oka Malapitan, third terms or 3 terms for mayor. While Along, second term. So, for me, Mark Cruz, can you just please stop posting nonsense about Lenny Robredo? I say again, Mark Cruz, Lenny Robredo is not running for president of the Philippines. Hindi po tatakbo si Lenny. I was told by Tera Francisco in the message in TikTok message, he said to me, Lenny Robredo will not run for president of the Philippines. She will stay as mayor of Naga City. If I want to tell you something, Mark Cruz, would you just shut up? Stop posting nonsense. Don't you even know you're posting lots of nonsense? Even Lenny Robredo that she's running for mayor of Naga City. Mark Cruz, with all due respect, stop speculating fake news. I want to repeat it again. One more last time. Even I was told by Teacher Kel. I was told by Eskel Penumbra. Oh. They told me Lenny Robredo will not run for president of the Philippines. I was told by Tera Francisco, Lenny Robredo will not run for president of the Philippines. Give me a break, Mark Cruz. Hindi po tatakbo si Lenny Robredo. You're always posting nonsense. And you say that matatalo pa ang mga Duterte. Diyos ko, Mark Cruz, if I want to tell you something, if I just want to tell you lots of fake news stories, you are making lots of fake news. Sara Duterte will win for President of the Philippines, Mark Cruz. You better be afraid, Mark Cruz, if Sara Duterte become a President of the Philippines. If you pose against Sara Duterte, you will cause you a cyber libel. You might get sued of cyber libel, Mark Cruz. Remember, Mark Domingo Cruz, I am warning you. If you don't really how to stop, you will get you in trouble. Because remember, I say again, Mark Cruz, one more last time, if I see in his Instagram post in threads, that Leni Robredo is not running for President of the Philippines. She is running for second term of mayor of Naga City. As Kuya Dan Mardayaw, Kuya Dan Mardayaw says, hindi po tatakbo si Leni Robredo. Tatakbo siya sa second term sa mayor ng Naga City. So, if I were saying to you, Mark Cruz, you need to stop what you're posting nonsense. You need to stop posting nonsense. You know, like me, I'm not posting political. Can you please stop posting about Leni Robredo, Mark Cruz? She is not running for President of the Philippines. What if, for example, Mark Cruz, if everyone are pro-Duterte, Teacher May Tiburcio is a pro-Duterte, even who is pro-Duterte, Teacher Ruthie Barrientos, she is also pro-Duterte, she's not pro-Marcos, even J. Rick Silva, pro-Duterte, Nanay Net, Ate Isa, Jens Manaid's father, who was a pro-Duterte, Jens Manaid's mother was a pro-Duterte. Do you remember Jude Goles' grandfather, who was a pro-Duterte? Jens Manaid, pro-Duterte. Jude Goles, pro-Duterte. Kuya Park official, pro-Duterte. Teacher Vincent Ramos, pro-Duterte. Would you ever bash pro-Duterte, Mark Cruz? Even my cousin, Ate Hana and Kuya Mel are pro-Duterte. Even Nanay Net, pro-Duterte. Give me a break, Mark Cruz. I had enough of this nonsense. Can you just stop posting lots of nonsense?